Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video I'm going to explore all the auto layout settings, okay, and show you how all the settings work. So if you find auto layout to be too much difficult or get confused sometimes, so this video is for you. So watch till the end. So let's get started. So we are just going to add a text layer here. Let's say auto layout. Okay, then I'll just with the text layer selected, we are going to click on the shift and A, and then the auto layout is created here. So add a fill to this one, and then let's see what fixed width does. Okay, now for example I'm going to add some more text to this one. Okay, so do you see that this text is going outside the frame because we have added a fixed width to this frame here? Okay, now if I change this fixed width to hug content, so it's going to wrap the whole text here. So now the text is inside the frame. So now if you add text to this one, like for example, hope you all doing good. So do you see how the frame size is automatically adjusting with the text, right? So that's what we call hug content. Okay. Now I'll just add maybe add min width here. Okay. So for example, here is like the width is 181, right? So so the frame should not decrease more than the minimum width. Okay. Basically, we are going to add a limit here, the minimum width. Okay. So for example, let it be 100. Okay. You see here, you can see the line, right? So now if I just, you see, it's limiting, right? It's adding a limit here, the minimum width. Now also you can add maximum width here, okay? For example, 200, it should not go beyond 200, okay? You see the line uh, here is the max width, right? So now you see it's not going to extend more than 200 pixel, okay? So hope you got this concept here, minimum width, maximum width, okay? So let's try the same thing with the height as well, okay? Now I'm just simply going to add this text here, okay? That's it. Now, now we can see that by default, her content is selected here, right? Now let's click on the fixed width, okay? Now, if I just add more content to this one, you see it's going outside the frame, right? Now if I do the same thing here again, I'll just click on the hug content. It's going to wrap the whole text here. The text is going to be inside the frame, it's not going to go outside basically. Okay, also we can add the same thing, the minimum height and the maximum height. So let it be 100. Okay, and then also, okay, let's see how it works now. So you see, just because the length of this data, the text we have added is more than the frame, that's why it's going outside. And here is a limit, actually it's stopping at 100 pixel. Okay, so this is the minimum height, and also we are going to add the maximum height, that can be maybe 400. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, here it's stopping, right? The maximum height is 400. So that's all about width and height. These are all the settings of the width and height. Okay, so let's move to now. this these options here, that is the vertical layout, the horizontal layout, and also the wrap. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Now we can just I'm just going to add some shape here. Let's just add a color to this one maybe, and then going to add. Okay, so I duplicated this. Okay, so just with both square selected, I'm going to add Shift A. Okay, so let's now here what it is like, it's the vertical padding around the both the square. Okay, so so we are going to increase it. You see how automatically it's increasing the this padding 8 pixel on both the side, both from top and bottom. Okay, now same thing we are going to do with this one, the horizontal padding here. Okay, all good, right? Also you can adjust the horizontal gap between the objects. Okay, so here it is going to basically add the space between these two square. Can you see that? So this is what these settings does. Okay, here. So now what we are going to do is, let's click on this one, vertical layout. You see how automatically it gave it converted to the vertical layout. It was horizontal before. Okay, so let's click on this one again, right? And also let's see what this one does, wrap. Okay, now if I click on this one, you see how automatically the second square is going below as I'm rescaling the frame, right? So that is what wrap means. Okay, that is what wrap does basically. Okay, so that's all about it. And okay, so to understand this, we need to just, I'm going to do one thing. Okay, add a text. Okay, and then maybe just take this one out, and let's assume it to be an icon here. Okay, yeah. So Shift and A with both the objects, both the text and the square selected. Just hold on Shift and then click on A. That's it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, like, just see what happens. Align top left. You see. So why this is happening is, like, this square is smaller than the height of the height of the square is smaller than the text height. So that's why the square is adjusting here. Okay, so these are almost same. The same thing is going to happen with all of this. Okay, also, like, I'll show you what will happen if this is bigger and this is smaller. Okay, now click on this one and then do the same thing. You see, now the text is adjusting, right? So that's all about the auto layout settings. So let me know if you understood the concept, and also let me know if you are stuck somewhere, if you didn't understand any part in the video. So let me know in the comments below. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.